So then local government F so we have 391304. So that is that. So we now prepare, haven't done this, then you now prepare their statement, because that was what we are told to prepare. Statement of allocation of fund. So that is the local government. Then population basis. Equity basis and the total. So we have local government A, B, C, D, E, F. So the population, that means the population basis which we just, the calculation which we have just done here. This is it, you just put it there in the column. The equity basis, don't forget that is done on equal basis, so irrespective of their population. So then the total is 3423913. You had it. So that is 18 million. So we have the total also, that is 4,500,000. So that is that on the statement of allocation of fund. Now B, in the additional in the preparation, we are told that local government B generate another additional revenue and they also incur another expenses. So having done that, then we will prepare that of local government B, how you calculate the revenue that comes in, which is additional. Then we now deduct it from the expenses to know the total revenue that the local government B has at the end of the day. So you just write receipt and payment. Just write receipt and payment, and this is the receipt. You write receipt here. You write payment here. It's like you are doing cash book. I told you the other time that receipt and payment of government is also the same thing as a cash book. Now, the first one is the allocation. Now let's look at the allocation. This is the allocation for B. That is the first revenue, and that is the 3032,609. Then looking at it, you see some information under. We have radio and license, tenement rate, cost file, liquid license, samples, pack fee. So we put it. Those are the revenues. We put it in the receipt side. Then tenement. We have a court. We have park fees, which is 50,000. Now let's look at that of the payment side. We have a salary, we have salary, we have transport, electricity receipt, maintenance of cars, stationaries, and the medical expenses. So we have the incur expenses, which is paid out of the receipt. Stationery, we have 15, medical 76. Now let's add it if you have a balance. Having added this, we have 3912609. Then that means the receipt side is greater than payment side, so we will definitely have a balance CD at the end of the day, which is the 22,434,509. So we balance it. So this is the total revenue that is accrued to the local government B at the end of the day. So that is how they prepare it. It might come out at any point in time in your exam. So when it comes out, this is how you prepare it. I mean, the preparation of accounting procedure for revenue allocation. They can give you that of state, and it can be of that of federal government or that of a state government. Just follow the rules and get it right. So that is that on the appointment. Then, so let's quickly do another workings, which is the preparation of statement of revenue and expenditure. You might be given the question that they will give you the question, and you might be told you might be asked to prepare revenue and expenditure, and like I've explained, that is the way we go about it. So the following, let's quickly take this illustration. The following balances have been extracted from the book of Village Local Government for the year ended 31st December 2000. Then look at the items. We have general revenue balance, which is the balance CD, BD. Then we have salaries. So you classify them under the head. That means you can see head 101, head 102. You classify them under their head and put them to the necessary place they feed into. You prepare revenue. So here, having given all this, revenue head are coded with 201. So you could have known here, like I told you the other time in the explanation on head, that any expenses, any revenue that they receive, or any expense that is being incurred, or any expenditure, they must be classified and coded under head, so that you can easily trace them. The reason why they do that is that so that government can easily trace those items in case there is any error. So here, so you are required to prepare the revenue and expenditure statement for the local government. It's as simple as ABC. You just need to classify those that belong to revenue, then you classify those ones that belong to expenditure, then you see whether there is differences between them, if there is a balance CD or surplus or deficit at the end of the day. So let's go to the question and see how we prepare the statement of revenue and expenditure for the year ended 31st December 1999. So what we will now do is that you write local government revenue and expenditure statement. year ended 31st December 1999. So you classify them under head. Don't forget the head for revenue is 2001, 2002. Then that of the revenue is that of so now this is not a cash book. That's why expenditure is on the debit side while revenue is on the credit side. So this one, it is not a cash book. So it's just to know whether there is surplus, like we have done in the SS2 syllabus, non-profit organization, which we have income and expenditure and revenue. So that's that. But then this expenditure is also something as the expenses. So any expenses have to be debited, while revenue is an income, it has to be credited. But because we are preparing cash book, we still have to be on the debit side, while payment has to be on credit side, because it is a cash book. So you classify them under heads, amount, then head of the revenue, then revenue amount. So now